Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your digital advertising with AdRoll step by step clearly. First, visit the AdRoll website. Click on the Get Started button. Create an account by adding your email and choosing a password. Once logged in, you will be prompted to set up your business details. Enter your business name and website URL. Select your industry from the drop-down menu. Provide basic information about your target audience. Specify demographics like age, gender, and interests. Next, choose your advertising goals, such as brand awareness or conversions. After setting goals, navigate to the dashboard to explore the features. Familiarize yourself with the interface and tools available. Now, set up your first campaign by clicking the Create Campaign button. Select the type of campaign you want to run, such as display ads or retargeting. Design your ads using the intuitive ad builder. Upload your images or choose from AdRoll's library of templates. Add compelling copy that captures your audience's attention. Set your budget and bidding strategy for the campaign. Choose your scheduling options to define when the ads will run. Review all details to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, click on Launch Campaign to activate it. Monitor the performance of your ads in the dashboard. Use the analytics tools to track metrics like clicks and conversions. Adjust your campaigns based on performance data to optimize results. Consider A/B testing different ad variations for improved effectiveness. Finally, refine your strategy continuously based on insights gained. Remember, success in digital advertising takes time and experimentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.